Residents can conveniently access government services, from tax payments to checking permit statuses or reporting issues, simplifying interactions with the government. The other one, emergency alerts and notifications. In emergencies, timely and accurate information is crucial.
With the access to information, it means that then any mwananchi, wherever they are, can access almost all government services without having to go to a place and without having to pay much, because of access to information has provided access to services. Second is access to general information. By getting active apps, active websites, and accessing the digital technology, you can access government websites.
Speaking of support to the counties and other government institutions in appreciating access to information, I wish to take this opportunity to announce that the State Department of Devolution has been working on a knowledge management strategy for counties, which is now ready to roll out.
This year, as we mark the Access to Information Day, let us do so behind the profound understanding of the role the online space plays in ensuring that access to information is not just a notion, but a living reality for all of us. In our modern, interconnected world, the internet is the gateway to knowledge, the enabler of citizen empowerment, and the catalyst for informed decision making.